Okay. Do you swear the testimony that you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Ms. Correa, go ahead.
Your Honor, this is a contested case. I have an opening. Your Honor signed a order in a suit affecting the parent-child relationship in 21. Child support was set at that time at 800. Government medical was ordered. Medical support was set at $75. The state is seeking a modification and we meet the statutory requirements. It's been at least 3 years, and the evidence will show that this case qualifies for an upward modification. Next, we'd like the court to take judicial notice of Ms. Martinez's presence in the courtroom. She has agreed to waive service.
Okay, so noted. Go ahead and proceed.
Your Honor, I will call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
My name?
Yes.
Naomi Berenice Martinez Contreras.
Ma'am, can you state the name of the child in this case?
Yes. Javielita de Matamoros?
And she lives with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And how old is she?
She's 5 years old.
Ma'am, the state is asking for child support to be set at $1,510. Are you in agreement with that?
No, I'm fine.
Is that a yes? You want that to be changed to that amount?
If it's changed, is I don't understand why will be changed, or maybe because I hear he I know he paid all bills by himself, but I think he can pay it. So,
Objection non-responsive. Your Honor, I request to ask the question a different,
okay.
simple way.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
yeah, yes, that's fine.
I'll restate my question. Ma'am, if you can just listen to my question and answer that question only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you understand that child support was $800 before?
Yes.
Today, the state of Texas is asking that we increase that to $1,510. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree with the state's request to increase it by that amount?
Yes.
The state is also asking for medical support to be increased to $250. Are you okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any private insurance available for your child?
No.
Your child is currently on Medicaid, is that correct?
Yes.
Ma'am, you understand that the state used information reported to us to calculate this account. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
I pass the witness. I call the father. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Francisco Javier Matamoros.
And sir, do you have any other children besides this child?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, is it true that the child is currently residing with the mother?
Yes, ma'am. It's true.
And sir, is it true that you work for a waste company?
Yes, ma'am. West Community Waste Deposit, CWD.
Okay. And you've been working with them for a few years, is that correct?
It's gonna be 2 years this year because I'm coming from West for the company. It's gonna be 2 years in this company right now because I left and come back.
Okay. And you understand that your employer reported to my client how much money you make every quarter. Do you understand that? Is that a yes?
Yes, yes.
And
yes.
you understand, and I explained to you that before taxes, your employer is reporting that in the last 4 quarters, that you made $120,550. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And that the state used guideline support of $10,045 a month to calculate your support. You understand that?
I understand it.
Okay. Sir, let's switch gears a little bit. Do you have any private insurance available to you at your job?
I don't have nothing for that. I don't get anything to that. Just for pay for my daughter. I work for my family, for my daughter. I don't have nothing injured for myself.
Okay. So knowing all of that information, do you agree with the medical support being increased to $250?
I do if she give me when the recipe when she take to the doctor, when my daughter is sick, or when she need go to see the dental, medical, or vision exam, because I asked him for her, can you provide me the information for me? And she said never, no, because I'm the mother. If I want it, I give it to you. If you don't, I don't, and approve it. So that's one of the five we had, or the argument, because she never approved it for that. I'm agree will will pay, but if we pay both right now, half and half, well, that increase right now, because I was okay what I was paying, but she never provided me the information when I needed, because my dad is always sick for some reason, but she say it's my fault, so I want to take to the medical center, but she never provide me the information from me, so I'm a lockdown with my hand because she never do that for me. But
Okay,
if it's she,
thank you.
okay, go ahead.
I'll move on to my next question.
Mhm.
Sir, are you in agreement with the increase of $1,510 for child support?
No, no, because but by the time when this happened, the first time we had in court, uh I was in the apartment. The bill it was less what I pay right now. I almost paid three times more what I was paying and what I was living by the time when I when I had the agreement, the first agreement. Now I got all the proof what I'm paying. If the judge had the time to see it, I can pay the same or a little bit more, $100 more, but I can pay the amount what you're saying because I pay house, all my bill myself. She live with her mom, with her sister, so she live with three families in the same house. I live myself in my house, so I provide everything for my daughter when she stay with me, and her she not pay the full bills and the house where she live. So I can work with that, but I can go all the money because I had to figure out I lose my house or pay what the money is for my daughter. I'll go for the right thing, man. And the judge, if you hear, I'll for the right. Why did this right?
Thank you. I pass this witness.
All right. Well, I mean, I cannot take into account either one of your bills. So if somebody pays less bills or more bills, state law doesn't allow me to modify the calculation because somebody has less bills or more bills. What really it's coming down to here is you make twice as much as what you made before when we did your last court order. You're making 120,000. State law says what state law says is that it's a percentage of your income. It's 20% of your bring home income. And we start off with what your income is before taxes. We try to approximate how much you earn after taxes. What your monthly bills are, those are really irrelevant and are not part of state law as far as me being able to lower it. That could be argued all day long, but everybody's home care costs have gone up. I can't lower child support because it costs more for groceries. It costs more for groceries for both of you. So that's not really anything I can do to improve. So I have to go on what's been calculated and what's been reported. I know it's a big jump, but it's based on your current income. Your current income is about $10,000 a month, and so child support then comes out to $1,510 per month. Medical support will be moved to $250 per month. I'm going to change that. I'm gonna do medical support at $150 because we're going from the $75 to $150, so that's already doubling. I don't want to triple it. Ms. Martinez Mr. Matamoros is partially correct in that he needs a copy of the insurance card and he needs to know where your child goes to the doctor. He's entitled to both of those information, just in case Mr. Matamoros has the child with him and there's an emergency and he needs to go to the hospital or doctor. He needs to have that Medicaid card or some kind of information, even a screenshot or something, so that he can use the insurance. You're supposed to be sharing that information with him. And then they also need to know what doctors the child goes to as well, so that if he has questions to the doctor, he can ask them directly, and find out more. Because you're not a doctor, he's not a doctor, but he might have some different questions than you might have, and so he should be entitled to ask that doctor's office for some of the records and get that information. So you're supposed to be sharing that. Please share that with him immediately. Even you can just email him or text him. This is the name of his doctor or doctors, depending on how many doctors the child has. And then Mr. Matamoros, then once you know that, you should be able to call the doctor's office and get any documents you may need. And you have a court order that also says that you have access to that information in the prior order. So that old order we did before gives you access to that information if they say they don't want to give you information. But I understand if you don't know the doctor, you don't know who to call. Ms. Martinez is going to provide that to you so that you have that, and then you can go and do your research if there's anything you want to look into. All right, that's the order the Attorney General's office is going to enter or give me for me to sign, and that'll be beginning February 1st. So no change for January. Beginning in February, that'll be when the change starts. You have all of February to make the payment, so it's not like it'll be late on February 1st. But that's just, we have to put it in the order. It's the first of the month. So that'll be the order of the court. All right, y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Oh, can I say it? Can I say something?
No, it's going to help me, ma'am. I've already
Okay.
made a decision. You're going to provide the information to Mr. Matamoros, right?
No, but I had a question.
Hold
I
on.
don't hear.
I got a lot of people in here and I got to get moving, but
Yes.
Mr. Martinez, you're going to provide the information to Mr. Matamoros, correct?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Mr. Matamoros, what question did you have before I let you go? Other than you don't agree with what I decided.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't hear how much I'll pay or what's the pay was to say, because the way he was telling me, okay, I'm okay.
$1,510 for child support, $150 for medical support. That's what it is. That's what it should be. If you want to appeal my decision, you can, but that's the correct calculation. You may not like it, but that's the math.
The amount for the Medicaid is under the amount is for every month or is separate?
It's every month. It's separate from what you're receiving. You're not getting the 150.
Okay, so it's 1,000 1,510 per month
Yes.
plus for insurance.
Yes. All right. Got to move on. I got other cases to do. All right. Y'all can press leave to exit out. Thank you.
Thank you, Honor. We are